Welcome back. Getting ready right now for the big Labor Day sale right here at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet, 1414 Main Street in downtown Chipley. Conveniently located just about a mile north of I-10. You can get to us from anywhere, literally. Standing right next to a display of Izod comforters right now. You know, if you're a regular viewer of the show, you know that up until recently we haven't been able to say the word Izod. Name brands, factory brands, so popular that we can't even mention them by name. But right now we can say Izod comforters, all styles, all colors, all sizes. Right now, 25% off. As a matter of fact, it's 25% off everything in the store all the way through the 3rd of September. It's the big Labor Day weekend sale, except it's stretching much longer than the weekend, right here at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet, downtown Chipley, Florida. If you're looking for pillows, you don't have to look any farther than WestPoint Home. Standing right next to me is a huge display, takes up the better part of this room. This weekend, the Labor Day WestPoint Home Back to School Sale, 25% off everything in the store. Now there's a selection of pillows here, hypoallergenic, you've got down-filled, have polyester, whatever suits you, whatever you want to rest your head on, you can find right here at WestPoint Home. We just showed you a display of Izod comforters, all sizes, all styles, all manner of patterns, standing right next to a plush blanket display right now, also from Izod. 25% off starting this weekend all the way through September 3rd. Now, for those of you out there that have kept saying, when's the next sale, when's the next big sale at WestPoint Home? I got to tell you, any day that you can go into WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet, you're going to save tremendously off of the big box store prices. However, if you come in between this weekend and September 3rd, you're going to be able to recognize an additional 25% savings on top of any great prices already on these shelves. Again, plush blankets by Izod, 25% off in the big Labor Day sale.